passengers to keep a watchful eye on their luggage and personal belongings at all times.
Good morning. This is what we got together yesterday, and I'm hoping to get a little bit further on it today. When you twist those shafts, it's kind of grindy in there, and I looked up grindy in the Model T Bible, and evidently that's a bad thing. So we'll take that apart again and grease her up and see if that just makes a difference. So here we go. Also want to get these shaft casings painted today. Wipe them down with some lacquer thinner, get some black on them so that they're ready to go. I'm going to need them pretty soon, so it'll be a fun-filled day today. Okay, let's go throw some paint on those things. Oh yeah, much better. We'll just dump a little more down there. There. This stuff is for boats, but same thing. Okay, next we're gonna wipe these spring bits and pieces down with some lacquer thinner and throw some paint on those too. Okay, it's been a productive day. Got some parts cleaned up. Got the radius rods all ready to paint. We got all this stuff painted. Yeah. Tomorrow we'll be able to put some of that together. And we got this thing put together and safety wired. And I'm kind of excited to get this paint dry on these other pieces so I can start sliding this all together. I'd like to get it back together and get the wheels back on it so it's mobile. Alright, well, another exciting day. See you tomorrow.